back to Twisted V-Twin Garage, everybody. Today we're going to start building this thing all back up. Got the frame all done, everything's painted, rear end's painted. We're going to start assembly of this tractor and see what it comes out to be and let everybody see what it is, and everybody can let us know what they think of it. It's been a long time working on this daggone thing and really getting tired of working on it, but should come out pretty decent once it's all said and done. We've had it all together, painted it green. I didn't like it, tore it all down, took it all back down to bare metal, shot primer, everything again, shot a new color. So we're going to start building this thing, so we'll bring you back once we get some of it put together. Alright guys, we're getting this weight box put on. Now she can hide her weights in here and nobody knows how much weight she has on the tractor. And we're going to add some fenders here in just a second. We'll bring you back. Okay guys, we got the back fenders and the weight box on it. Looking pretty decent so far. So as we keep going and making this build bigger, we're going to show you some more. So see you in a bit.
Hey, guess what? He just screwed up. He should have put my console in instead of putting the fenders on.
Okay, now I got to tear that all back out.
So he'll bring you back as soon as he tears these fenders off.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
Maybe you only need to take one fender. Maybe you can get away with that. Some biscuit. Okay, you ready?
Okay guys, we got the fenders on it, weight box on it, we got the center column in it now. I screwed up and didn't put this in first, and I had to pull the fender back off and everything to get this down in there. And yeah, a headache. But I enjoyed doing it, and so far I think it's going to look pretty good. Give them a shot this way so that they can see everything and what we're doing.
It turned off.
No, we got this all in here. This piece here, I got to take it back out. I got to notch the back of this to fit into the center console to get it to fit properly. The back isn't fitting, so I got to cut all this out for the steering column and make it fit. That's why this is custom building, and that's the way it is. And we'll bring you back as soon as I get it try to get it cut out and get it fitted in. All right, guys. Now you see what we've been doing, what we're working on, why we're doing all this. We're going to end this video here, and you have to stay tuned for the next part. So as we go along, if you can't tell, we enjoy what we do. So give us a thumbs up, give us a thumbs down. Don't forget, hit that like button for us and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice one.